Hey everyone! Google has just given us a sneak peek at the Pixel 9, which is set to launch earlier than usual in August this year instead of the traditional October. Here's what you need to know about the upcoming device. First up, the design. The Pixel 9 will feature a new look with separate camera modules rather than the integrated design found on previous models. The side frames are now flat, moving away from the rounded edges of older Pixels. What do you think of this new design? This year, Google is expanding its lineup to include 3 different models: the Pixel 9 with a 6.24-inch display, the Pixel 9 Pro with a 6.34-inch screen, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL with a 6.73-inch display. The Pixel 9a will also be available, bringing the total to 4 models. It will be interesting to see how these models are priced and how they differ from each other. Additionally, Google is introducing a new AI assistant called Pixie. Pixie will use data from your phone, including information from Google services like Maps and Gmail, to offer a more personalized experience. This is set to compete with Apple's new Siri, which has recently gained impressive features like adding addresses to contacts or enhancing photos with voice commands. In terms of cameras, the Pixel 9 series is promising some major upgrades. The Pixel 9 will have a main camera and an ultra-wide lens, while the Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL will come with a periscope telephoto lens offering 5x optical zoom. This feature is available across all models this year, unlike the Pixel 8 series where it was limited to larger models. Expect improved low-light photography and better video quality as well. On the tech side, the Pixel 9 will be powered by the Tensor Z4 chipset, based on Samsung's 4nm process. While this chip may not be as advanced as some of its competitors, it promises enhanced power efficiency and overall performance through advanced packaging techniques. However, if you're into high-end gaming, the Pixel 9 might not be your best bet this year. Battery life is expected to improve with the inclusion of an upgraded 5G modem. This should address previous network issues and introduce satellite connectivity for better communication in areas without traditional signals. As for pricing, the Pixel 9 is anticipated to start at around $700, the Pixel 9 Pro at about $900, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL around $1,100. With the release just a month away, are you considering picking one up or waiting for the Pixel 10? Let me know what you think.